I love the boing wall. I love the boing wall. Case. Yeah, that's great. Alright, good. We got enough battery power. Marcus, can I go? I'm going, I guess I'm going. Good? Okay, I got the thumbs up. Alright. I'll start it. I'll take it again from the top. Take 3. Here we go, folks. Good morning. My name is Amiga Bill. Willkommen by Amiga 40 Deutschland. Don't worry, I know not everyone here speaks German, so I'll keep it to English so we can all understand. We're going to use Scala today because this is Amiga 40, not Microsoft 40. Get that PowerPoint out of here. Scala all the way. And wait until you see the quality of the images. Like, it still looks